Good morning. Question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then so that angle A is equal to angle B. Let triangle ABC is right angle. Angle C is equal to 90. Now we have given cos A is equal to cos B. First we find cos A. Cos is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Then we say that here angle A, cos A. Angle A adjacent side is AC upon AB. And now cos B. Then cos B is here. Cos B is equal to adjacent upon its adjacent side BC upon AB. We have given cos A is equal to cos B. Then we write AC upon AB is equal to BC upon AB. Then AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. In triangle, two sides are equal. Here AC and BC are equal. AC opposite angle B and BC opposite angle A. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle A. Hence, prove here. Again, if in triangle ABC, angle C is right angle. Cos A adjacent upon hypotenuse AC upon AB and cos B is equal to BC upon AB. We have given cos A is equal to cos B. Therefore, AC upon AB is equal to BC upon AB. So, AC is equal to BC. But in triangle, two sides we know that two sides are equal. Therefore, their opposite angles are also equal. AC is opposite angle B and BC is opposite angle A. Therefore, angle A, AC is here, its opposite angle A, and BC is here, then its opposite angle A. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle A. So, we say that angle B is equal to angle A or angle A is equal to angle B. Now, question number 7, number 1. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta up into 1 minus cos theta. We have given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Cot is equal to adjacent side upon opposite side. If suppose we say that angle A is equal to theta, then adjacent side AB upon BC, adjacent side AB upon BC is equal to 7 by 8k. Here is equal to k. We take here. If A is equal to 7k, we write here A is equal to 7k. A is equal to 7k and BC is equal to 8k. 8k. Then we find by Pythagoras rule, suppose we draw here an triangle. It is theta, then 7k, here 8k, and we find Pythagoras, by Pythagoras it is 1 under root 1 1 3k. Then hypotenuse is equal to under root 1 1 3k. First we find in necessary sine and cos, but we have given 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Here 1 plus a minus b types of factors is equal to expands a square minus b square. Then we write say here is equal to 1 minus sin theta whole square a square minus b square upon a square minus b square here cos theta whole square. Now 1 square is equals to 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta. We put value. What is sin theta? Opposite here its side is equals to 113k. Then opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin square. Then we say that sin square is equals to, here sin square is equals to 1 minus 8k upon under root 113k whole square upon 1 minus 7k upon under root 113 whole square is equals to 1 minus is equals to, here this step 1 minus 64 upon 113, 1 minus 49 upon 113. Then we say that here we write 113 minus 64 upon 113 upon 113 minus 49 upon 113. 113 both division cut is equals to 113 minus 64 is equals to 49 upon 113 minus 49, 13 minus 9 4 and 10 minus 4 64, then 49 upon 64, which is our last answer. Again this question, if cot theta is equals to 7/8, then find value. First we put which side has measure. Cot is equals to adjacent upon opposite, then AB is equals to 7k and BC is equals to 8k, and we find its Pythagoras rules. AC by using Pythagoras rules we find hypotenuse is equals to 113k. Then AC is equals to root 113, find A, and it is simplification of given part 1 minus sin square theta upon A square minus B square type, 1 minus sin square upon 1 plus minus cos square. Then put value and simplify this, it is here, and it is 113 minus 64 upon 113 minus 49 upon 113 cut, then answer is 49/64. Now question number second of question 7. If cot theta is equals to 7/8, evaluate cot square theta. Angle A is equals to theta and B is equals to 90 in triangle ABC. Cot theta is equals to 7/8. We know that cot is equals to adjacent side upon opposite side. Here AB is equals to 7k. We write here AB is equals to 7k and BC is equals to 8k. Then we find its third side root 113k and put value cos square theta upon sin square theta. Cot square is equals to opposite upon adjacent. In this question you find, suppose cot theta is equals to 7/8, evaluate cot square theta. We know that cot square theta is equals to Which number square is equals to cot theta square? We know. Then cot theta, what is value of cot theta? 7 by 8 whole square is equals to 49 by 64, which is our last answer. 49 by 64. In this question, cot square theta is equals to adjacent upon opposite, and then write 7 by 8 whole square 49 by 64. Suppose this question asking in 1 marks, then you directly calculate 7 by 8 whole square 49 by 64. Now question number 8. If 3 cot A is equals to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A or not. We check here. 3 cot A is equals to 4. Then cot A is equals to, first we take here, cot A is equals to 4 by 3. 3 is in one dividation, 4 by 3. Cot A is equals to 4 by 3. Now cot is equals to opposite, adjacent upon opposite. Where is cot A? Here in cot A, adjacent AB upon BC. Then we write here AB upon BC. Now we use tan A. Tan A is equals to, what is opposite upon, find here AB is equals to 4K, BC is equals to 3K. Then find hypotenuse is equals to 5K. We find here hypotenuse is equals to 5K. Now in triangle, first we get definition tan theta. Tan A is equals to opposite upon adjacent. Tan A is equals to 4K upon 3K. Then 4 by 3. And we use sin theta, cos theta. Sin theta is equals to 4K upon 5K. Sin A is equals to 3K. We want here opposite side upon here 3K upon 5K equals to 3 by 5, and cos A is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse 4 by 5K. Then put value 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Now left hand side 1 minus tan square A. What is value tan A? 4 by 3. Then 4 by 3 square. Tan square A is equals to, here tan square A divide by 1 plus tan square A. A is equals to, now we cut here tan A adjacent. In this question it is wrong. It is tan A is equals to opposite upon adjacent. Then it is wrong value. Tan A is equals to 3K upon 4K. 3K upon 4K, therefore 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4. Then, and sin is equals to 3 by 5. Cos is equals to 4 by 5. Cos A is equals to 4 by 5. K is cut here. K cut. Here 3 by 5. 4 by 5. Put value. 1 minus 10 square divide by 1 plus 10 square a. Then 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square divide by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. 1 minus 9 by 16 upon 16 divide by 16 plus 9 by 16. Here 7 by 16 divide by 25, division of multiplication, then 16 by 25, 16 cut. Answer is 7 by 25. Answer is 7 by 25. Now what is right hand side? Cos square a minus sin square a. Value of cos is equal to 4 by 5 minus whole square minus 3 by 5 whole square, 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25 is equal to 7 by 25. Its last value is also 7 by 25. It is our second value. Then left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Again this question. Cot A is equal to 4 by 3. First we simplify this. Cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Cot is equal to adjacent. Then we find side 5k. Cot is equal to adjacent upon opposite. We know that it is our wrong. Tan A is equal to opposite. A is here. Then I calculate here 3k upon 4k is equal to 3 by 4. And then sin A is equal to 3k upon 5k, 3 by 5. And cos A is equal to 4 by 5. Then we calculate here 1 minus 10 square A divided by 1 plus 10 square A is equal to, left hand side is equal to 1 minus, suppose we calculate 1 minus 10 square A, 3 by 4 whole square upon 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square is equal to 1 minus 9 by 16 upon 1 plus 9 by 16 is equal to 16 minus 9 upon 16 upon 16 plus 9 upon 16. 16 cut. Here 16 by 9, 7 upon 25, which is our last answer, 7 upon 25. We know our question. Then here question number 8 is complete.